It's Brody. Listen, that bastard drugged you, but you're gonna be okay, I promise.
Brody, do I know you?
Yes, Lord! Of course you know me. You don't have to be scared anymore, Jess. It's me.
I've never seen you before in my life.
Hey. Any news on Jessica?
Okay, that's it. Tell me why you're so interested in my kid, huh? Why would Stacy want you to raise my child?
It's not your child. It's my child. It's my child.
What? It's crazy.
No, it's not. No, it's not. It's the truth.
You aren't having Rex's baby, are you?
You got me. It's a bowling ball.
I know it's a baby. It's just not Rex's.
Of course it's Rex's. Who else's would it be?
I am that baby's father. That's why I had to get up this mountain with a snowstorm coming, because I had to tell Cheech. I don't believe it. Think about it. Why would I lie? Charlie! Charlie! I'm trying. Believe me, Mel. I am trying. Because you were right. I can't let Charlie ruin his life. I have to stop him before he kills Mitch. Well, that has gotta be the place. Right up there. You're as good as dead, Lawrence.
Look at me, Jessica. Look me in the eyes. You have to know who I am.
I wouldn't waste my breath, Lieutenant. My daughter doesn't remember you, and she never will.
Father, what's happening? Why is this man insisting that he knows me?
What the hell did you do to Jessica?
Well, I was merely helping my daughter rid her mind of all extraneous detail. Like you, Lieutenant Lovett.
No, it's okay. It's okay. He's just drugged you, and you'll be fine when it wears off.
It's not as simple as that, boy.
The hell does that mean? Huh? There's gotta be an antidote, a cure, something. God! Oh my God. You gave Jessica electroshock.
My lovely daughter is lost to you forever.
You guys mind if I go turn on the news?
Addict. Lying is what you do best.
I've been clean longer than you've known me.
Known you? Other than the fact that you're a junkie, I don't know squat about you.
Rex, this has nothing to do with my addiction, okay? I had sex with Stacy, and she got pregnant.
You gotta be high. You're hallucinating.
Oh, I wish that I was making this up.
Okay. Even if you were sleeping with Stacy at the same time that I did, it doesn't prove anything. We still need a paternity test. You're high.
I am not high, and I was not sleeping with Stacy when she slept with you. I had sex with her, yes, once, about a month later.
I told you. You're not making any sense, okay? We both know when Stacy got pregnant. You were there at the hospital when she had the test
Yeah,
done.
because back then, Rex, it was your baby she was carrying.
But now she's not.
She had a miscarriage. She lost her child, Rex. I'm sorry.
How should I know who you've had sex with? Isn't that how you made a living?
I was a stripper, not a hooker.
Whatever.
Look, I love Rex. He's the only one who could be the father of my baby.
Then why all the lying about the water breaking? Why fake labor when you're not ready to give birth? Why?
Oh my God.
Nice try, but you can only get away with faking labor once.
I'm faking it this time.
Aha, so you admit it. You faked it at the hospital.
Please.
Why were you trying to trick Rex into thinking that you're having a baby now? aren't I? It's not Rex's baby.
Oh, shut up, I'm in pain!
Stacey, you are not going to use this baby to get out of telling me the truth.
Oh, my back feels like it's on fire. Oh, it hurts so bad right here.
Okay, so you read up on real symptoms.
Rex, I need you.
Okay, what kind of twisted SOB are you to tell me that my baby died?
I'm sorry, but it's true. That's why the baby she's carrying isn't full term yet.
Well, now I know you're full of it. You saw us at the hospital. She was in labor.
Yeah, the labor stopped though, didn't it?
Yeah, because it was false labor. It's not like she faked it. Okay, her water broke.
Rex, your water doesn't break in a false labor. It's just contractions.
I was with her when it happened.
Were you in the room? Were you in the actual room? She faked it, Rex. Now, I don't know how, but this is Stacy we're talking about. I wouldn't put anything past her.
Not this. If she had lost the baby, she would have told me.
Why? Getting pregnant with your kid finally got you to pay attention to her. She wasn't going to give that up. She had something that you two would share forever, so she did something desperate.
Charlie in time to stop him? Okay. I'll keep looking.
Jessica.
I acted out of love. It was the only way I could protect my daughter from the evils of the outside world.
Father, this man is confusing me.
Jessica, listen to me. That freak gave you electroshock. He's jumbled things up in your mind, but that doesn't mean we can't fix it. Everything you need to know is inside of you. You just have to find it again.
Find what?
Darling, don't listen to him.
Your mother, Vicky, your father.
I am her father.
Clint, you remember Clint, right? And you have a daughter. A little girl. She's so beautiful. Hey, her name is Bree. You have to remember Bree, don't you?
Bree.
All right, what about love? Do you remember love?